Hey guys, welcome to this Samsung tutorial, and in this Samsung mobile guide, I'll detail how to open hidden apps in Samsung. So, if you have some application hidden on your Samsung, you discover that if you come to the app menu or app screen, you're not able to have access to these applications. If you search using the search box, you're not able to access the application on the app menu. So here, I'm going to show you how you can easily open any hidden apps on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to open hidden apps in Samsung, we just need to just come to the Samsung home screen, press and hold the home screen just like this, and make it editable. So once you see this pop, go ahead and click on settings at the bottom right. Now once you select that settings, scroll down, locate hidden apps on home and app screen. Then here you're going to see all your list of hidden apps on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Then to open the application, you need to unhide the application. Just go ahead, unhide the application under hidden apps. Then you're going to see the application added to all apps. Then go ahead and click on done. Then you can now go back to the app screen, search for the application. Then you should see the application from the suggestion box. Then click on it to open it. You see that? Then that is going to open the application on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you have any other application you still want to open on Samsung Galaxy phone, you need to repeat the same process and open the application. So once you select it from the app menu where you hide the application, then you can just go ahead and click on done, then come back to the home screen. Then you discover that the application is not back to your Samsung phone home screen. So just find it on the app screen like this, then open it. You see that? So that is basically how to open hidden apps in Samsung. And once you're done, go back, repeat the process again by pressing the home screen, click on settings, then scroll down and tap hidden apps on home and app screen. Then select the opened application again to hide them. So just go ahead, select them again, and then click on done. Once that's done, then you are good to go. The application will be hidden from your Samsung Galaxy screen again. So that is basically how to open hidden apps in Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.